Joanna Duggar looks distressed at court during Josh's trial. Joanna Duggar looked like she was having no joy sitting in on brother Josh's child pornography trial. The 24-year-old sat in the back with husband Austin. She wore a long-sleeve back dress with booties. Our reporter in the courtroom said she looked distressed, and Austin spent time comforting her with his arm around her. They look really pained, our reporter noted. When the trial broke for lunch, Joanna and Austin walked out of the courtroom fast without speaking to their family and went right into the elevator. Austin had not been speaking to anyone, but he did interact with Jill Duggar's husband, Derrick Dillard, 32, and Justin after the hearing ended. Josh, who has pleaded not guilty, has been accused of possessing sick images of child pornography, which have been described as the worst of the worst that authorities had ever seen. If the TLC star is found guilty, he could be facing up to about 20 years in prison. However, it is not clear at the moment if whether their testimony will be for the prosecution or the defense. Josh's smile. Previously, Josh was seen showing off a smile into the camera during his temperature check when he entered the courtroom, according to an on-site reporter for The Sun. The reality star held his tie down as he smirked into the frame. He appeared to be cheerful despite the horrific claims made against him. During the opening arguments for the trial regarding his April 2021 arrest, the prosecuting attorney alleged that Josh had downloaded a file of 65 images and 2 videos of females 7 to 9 years old onto his work computer. Prosecution lawyers then detailed how Detective Amber Calmer had reached out to a Homeland Security agent about the materials had Josh allegedly downloaded. The shocking materials included a movie file of 7 to 9-year-old females and 65 still images of a 7 to 8-year-old girl that end with her being put in a cage. According to the Sun reporter, the opening statement declared, "You're going to see images of children, some as young as 7. These children are being sexually assaulted, violated, and exploited." The prosecution continued on to claim that Josh had been downloading child sexual assault materials, while both receiving and possessing the material.